to my channel, The Mug Life. I'm really glad you stopped by, and if this is your first time watching any of my videos, be sure to stop by, scroll down and see any of my older DIY videos. I'll show you how to make this really cool pillow, and if you're not following me on Instagram, be sure to, and you can see really cool fun projects like the Hug Me behind me. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, tell me what you really like seeing. Love to do some more recycle videos, how to upcycle things, dollar store crafts. I grew up in Greenbrier, so I didn't know Dollar Tree wasn't everywhere. So East Coast girl here, thanks for stopping by. Really hope you enjoyed this laundry room makeover that I'm doing in 2 parts. I've got 2 projects in this video, so stay tuned to the very end to see both of my projects and how they turned out. And thank you, and hope you like.
Alright, let's dive on in. I'm going to be tackling my laundry room update. Here it goes. Started just with a simple cleaning of my washing machine. I bought this Dollar Tree contact paper and wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do with it. But thank you Pinterest, saw a really cool idea using the contact paper. So I just cut it to form for the top of my machine and I placed the contact paper over top. Now I only used 1 roll of the Dollar Tree's contact paper, but if you wanted to do a different design, I would say go ahead and pick up 1 to 2 of these contact rolls. I loved this design of the Moroccan pattern, but it's also my favorite color in the teal, and you'll see later on and throughout the tutorial what I mean by that. I also really wanted to just do something fun in my laundry space, but I wasn't quite sure how to make a laundry room space fun. So I did what I do best and decided on a pun. And of course, hi again, for the laundry that never ends. Here's another project I had to tackle. Just gave my laundry room a good quick sweep, which often gets overlooked. I wanted to jazz up the front of my old washing machine as well, so I just used some of the strips that I had cut off from cutting around the top of my washing machine and placed them in the front in just a fun little pattern. We're going to go right into my second project I wanted to tackle, which was storage. My room space, I would probably better say, is lacking storage. So I picked up 4 of these bins from the Dollar Tree using my twine that I already had. Just wanted to kind of add a little bit of a touch, a little bit of my flair. So I wrapped the top parts in twine to both sides of the handles. Now the labels that I am using, I have had in my stash for a while, but they are from Michael's. Not sure if you can still find them, but just wanted to put a little label, and I will eventually write what I've got for cleaning supplies on top of my very small storage shelf. And can you believe these cute small signs are also from the Dollar Tree? I just had to use them in my space. And here, guys, is my finished project 1, my update on my washing machine using contact paper. Can you believe it only cost me $2 to update my old machine and bring a little bit of life and a little bit of laughter using this lighthearted and fun pun. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like and comment if you liked this easy DIY, and stay tuned for the part 2 of my laundry room update.